Assalamu alaikum guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make a nabeedh now. So you take some dates, give it some water here. These are seedless dates, so easy to work with. Just throw them in, break them into smaller pieces, smaller better. Throw them all in. You want to do about maybe 7 or 8. Usually that should be fine. Now, you can do this with water, you can do this with milk as well. I'll show you the one that I do with milk sometimes. So, nice hot day today, I thought. Do outside with Ramadan and everything. Okay, bring this one up. These ones are, I think these are the Tunisian ones. Quite sticky. So these work quite well. You can use Majula dates if you want. Ajwa dates. Ajwas, yeah, you can try those. And it's all up to your own taste. Okay, how much is that? Roughly once it fills about up to there, should be enough. And then the thing about this is you leave it, close the lid, leave it in there for a while. See all that already? You can see it's all bubbling up with all the air and everything being released. So I put all this in, my hands are sticky, I can't eat it because I'm fasting. There you go. Should we do one more? Let's do one more. Now once you've left this for a while, what's going to happen is the water is going to start to receive all the sweetness from the dates. It's going to diffuse and then you're going to have a nice sweet drink. Now don't leave this for too long because then it starts to ferment. You don't want to become intoxicated with it. Okay. That's basically what you want. Then close the lid. I'm going to put some more water in there. There you go. Just leave that for, I would say, maybe 12 hours or so, however long you want. Hopefully it should be ready for iftar today. Put in the comments if you guys make this as well, and let me know if you guys want me to make the milk one as well. And there's also a raisin one you can do. The only thing about the raisin one is it kind of is quite hot, kind of makes the stomach a bit hot. This one's a bit cooling.